Hey everybody, Roger Levin here with your orthodontic practice production pearl of the week. I thought I would go a little retro in this pearl. For those of you who've been watching these consistently over the years, nothing new in this pearl, but let me bring it together. Because I love the quote that the best way to predict the future is to create it. And so many orthodontists are complacent. You're in practice, things are going well, it's natural to take your foot off the gas pedal, you're not pushing forward, and then you wake up one day and things aren't quite what they were. For example, we're getting more and more calls from orthodontists who are losing one or two of their top referring doctors who sold, who brought an associate that tries to do ortho, who retires. This is like a theme now. We've never had so many calls from all specialists about referring doctors that are dumping out of the referral base because they're leaving practice. So, having said that, what are the ways to create your future? Here we go retro. 1, get a PRC, Professional Relations Coordinator. Get that person exquisitely, and I mean exquisitely trained to do the job with enough strategies to get you referrals. 2, get your systems in place. I read you a phenomenal quote from a high-level business course recently that said, you have designed the systems to get you exactly what you are getting, and what you are getting from your systems are the results of yesterday. So, get new systems. You want to create a great future, put systems in place that create a great future. And 3, measure not everything, but measure the basics. Production per new patient, where your referrals are coming from, the production per referral source. There's so much basic information. You're smart enough to easily understand it, put it in place, and it'll be amazing. There's second-tier level decisions, like who is your slowest assistant? That assistant, no criticism here, no problem, but we find many practices, because we measure, lose up to an hour a day because of the bottleneck of hitting the slow assistant. Going down the chairs, hit the slow assistant. Going down the chairs, you got the idea. So this is a retro pearl of the week. This is for you to think about. The basics haven't changed. Get them in place. The best way to predict the future is to create it. As always, I wish you increased practice production and referrals every year, and I'll see you next week.